Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.